Dear students, once more you are welcome to our English grammar class, and today we shall do an activity which is in your book. And previously I taught you how to convert the simple sentence into declarative sentence, and where we should use how and where we should use what in the exclamatory sentence. And in detail I have given you that lesson, and today we will have to do that activity. That is activity 3, that is in your book page number 17. In your grammar book you can get it page number 17, and there is an instruction: turn the following sentence into exclamatory sentence using what and how. Using what and how, you will have to turn the following sentence into exclamatory sentence using what and how. I would like to recall what I have already taught you. Children, you know, when we emphasize on noun phrase, there we write, or that exclamatory sentence begins with what, and where we emphasize the adverb phrase or adjective phrase, in that case we use how. So this is the test is given, and I have asked you to do that test. Now you evaluate yourself how much mistake you have made. I hope you would never commit any mistake, and I shall explain bit by bit of this and you follow. The first sentence is in your activity 3, page number 17. The weather is very fine. The weather is very fine. And students, you follow on which part we want to give the emphasis. The weather is very fine. Here fine, 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 that is the adjective. That is adjective. So as it is an adjective and we want to focus on adjective, so we will have to use how. So how can we convert? And you follow here, this is the called qualifier very. Very is called qualifier, and in the exclamatory sentence the qualifier very should not be used, so it should be crossed. It should be crossed. And here how fine, how can you convert? How fine the weather is. How fine the weather is. Am I clear? So how, in the answer you will have to write how fine the weather is. How fine the weather is. Children, can you say what is the mistake in it? One mistake is there. What is that mistake? And at last I have told you the exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. In the previous lesson I taught you. So there should be an exclamation mark. A line below the line there must be a dot. A line below the line there must be a dot. So how fine the weather is, and here the weather is very fine, and we will have to omit the qualifier very and how fine the weather is. So this is the exclamatory sentence. Am I clear? And come to the second sentence. Students, she is very intelligent girl. She is very intelligent girl. Here we want to focus the word girl. Girl. Girl means that is the noun phrase. Intelligent girl. Intelligent girl, this is the noun phrase, and girl is the head noun. Girl is the head noun. So as we want to focus on noun, In that case, we will have to use what? We will have to use what? So follow. She is a very intelligent girl. Children, I have made a mistake here. You rectify it. She is a very intelligent girl. She is a very intelligent girl. I have omitted an article here. She is a very intelligent girl. She is a very intelligent girl. Here you will have to omit this one here, because that is the qualifier. So how can you convert? What? Unintelligent. Here a turns into an, because this is the vowel sound. What an intelligent girl she is. What an intelligent girl she is. Answer. What an. Here follow a converts or a changes into an, because this begins with a vowel sound. What an intelligent girl she is. What an intelligent girl she is. What an intelligent girl she is. Am I clear? Come to the third question. He speaks very fluently. He speaks very fluently. Here we want to focus the word fluently. Fluently. This word. And fluently is an adverb, because this word qualifies the word verb. Qualifies the verb here speaks. This word qualifies the word speaks. Speaks is a verb. So as it is an adverb. So you will have to use how. You will have to use how. So how can you convert? Same rules. The very, this qualifier should be omitted. This qualifier should be omitted. So how can you use? How fluently. Follow here. In place of the qualifier you write down how. How fluently he speaks. How fluently he speaks. At last there must be exclamation mark. How fluently he speaks. How fluently he speaks. Am I clear? Come to the next question. He has got a very sharp memory. He has got a very sharp memory. And in this sentence, follow here, a very sharp memory. This is the noun phrase. This is the noun phrase. And head noun is memory. Head noun is memory. He has got a very sharp memory. So as we want to focus on the noun, here is the noun phrase. The head noun comes in the end. The head noun comes in the end. So how can we convert? And I have told you what we will have to omit. What we will have to omit in the external sentence. In the previously we have done. We have crossed them. What is very, very, very? So likewise you crossed here. You cross here very. Am I clear? So here what a sharp memory. What a sharp memory. Am I clear? He has got. What a sharp memory he has got. What a sharp memory he has got. What a sharp memory he has got. In the end, the exclamation mark. What a sharp memory he has got. And likewise come to the fifth sentence. It is a very beautiful night. It is a very beautiful night. Here same things, and we want to focus here a very beautiful night. A very beautiful night, and at last follow a very beautiful night is a noun phrase. It is a noun phrase, and because here follow the word night, it is the head noun. It is the head noun, and the head noun comes in the end of the noun phrase. It is a very beautiful night. As we want to focus on noun phrase, so it will begin with the word what. It will begin with the word what. So how can you convert? Here follow same rules. So here very, that means qualifier should be crushed. It should be crushed. So how can you convert? What a beautiful night it is. What a beautiful night it is. What a beautiful night it is. And at last there must be exclamation mark. What a beautiful night it is. What a beautiful night it is. And the last sentence. She has put on very costly necklace. She has put on very costly necklace. Here follow very costly necklace. We want to focus here, and here necklace. This word is the noun phrase. This is the noun, head noun. A very costly necklace, noun phrase, and it is head noun. As the noun is focused, students, as the noun is focused, so this sentence will be started using word what. So what children follow. She has put on a very. A is omitted here. Another thing I have forgotten to say, follow here the word very. That means this is the qualifier. This should be avoided. This should be avoided. I have told you everywhere the qualifier should be avoided. What a costly necklace. What a costly necklace. What a costly necklace she has put on. She has put on. And at last there must be exclamation mark. At last there must be exclamation mark. So children, as we have done already the exercise, that activity we have already done. Follow the rules. I will to recall you again. If any simple sentence is converted into exclamatory sentence, first we will have to notice. That means we will have to focus the which word is the focus there. And if the noun is focused, in that case you will have to use what. And if the adverb or adjective is focused, in that case you will have to use the word how. And the qualifier very, that should be omitted in the exclamatory sentence, and in place of the qualifier you can write how or what, and then that part, the remaining part will be written, and at last there must be exclamation mark. Students, this is all about the exclamatory sentence, and there is another activity in your book that in the 17th page. Activity 4, and I hope that is not so important activity for you. So we shall skip on this activity. Next we shall go to the compound sentence, and that is the most important things. I hope you must watch the video very carefully, because it is very essential for your exam sec. It is very essential for your exam sec. Students, I hope you must watch it. Then another things I want to make you a request. If you face any difficulties there, you can write them in my comment section, and I shall try to rectify them and in the revision class. Students, thanks for watching my video, and we will meet tomorrow again. Thanks a lot.